Okay, so before we actually start with the program that we're going to discuss, that is a public chat system in socket programming in Java, let's understand how the streams, or at least let me give you a picture how the stream works. It may not work in the exact way, but just for your understanding, I'm just going to give you how the stream is actually how data is actually getting passed from the client to another client and all those. Okay, so what we do normally, we actually create a server and we have a client which connects with a server, and in the client side we create a socket. In the server side, when a client gets connected with a server, it creates a socket instance for that. Okay, so in the client side I have a socket which I create. Okay, in the same way in the server side, a socket is created whenever a connection is accepted by the server. It's not a server socket over here, it's different. Okay, a new socket is always created for each and every client. Okay, so whenever you want to read and write something, this is how it is mapped. That is, from the client socket, you can read any data from its input stream. Okay, from its input stream, you read data. Then you write data into your output stream in the client side. Okay, so whatever data is written in the output stream can be read in the server side by the socket instance created in the server side for that particular client from the input stream. Okay, from the input stream you can read that data, the same data which is written to the output stream in the client side. Vice versa, also whatever data in the server side that you write through the instance that you create in the server side, whatever data that you write where in the server side instance output stream can be read in the client stream. Okay, so data that flow is written into the server side output stream flows to the stream and is read in the input stream of the client side socket. Same way, data that is written in the socket side, okay, output stream flows through it and then it goes into the it is read from the input stream of the server side socket instance. Okay, I hope you're clear with this, and once you know this, then rest will be easier. So thank you.